In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Bitbucket app from the Jira Marketplace. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Jira Cloud site in your browser and that you have the right permissions to install apps, usually as a site admin. Once that's ready, let's get started. First, navigate to the For You page in Jira. You can get there from your main Jira dashboard by using the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Look for the Jira logo or your product switcher, and from there, choose the For You section. This area is often tailored to your work and your site, but it also gives you quick access to things like apps and recommendations. On the For You page, look for the area that's related to apps or the Atlassian Marketplace. In the guide you're following, this area is highlighted on screen, so just move your mouse to that same region and click on it. This will open up a view that either shows app suggestions or a link to browse more apps. Next, you'll see another highlighted area that takes you further into the app's experience. Click on that second highlight. Practically, this is usually a link or button that says something like, "Explore more apps," or opens the full marketplace experience inside Jira. Once you're in the marketplace view, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field. Here, you'll type the name of the app you're looking for. In this case, start typing Bitbucket. As you type, Jira will search the marketplace for apps related to Bitbucket, such as integration apps that connect your repositories with your Jira issues. After typing, look at the search results that appear below. One of these results will be the specific Bitbucket-related app you want to install. In the tutorial screenshots, this app is highlighted, so click on that highlighted result to open the app's detailed page. On the app detail page, you'll see information like an overview, reviews, pricing, and permissions. Take a quick moment to glance through these sections so you understand what the app does and what access it needs. When you're ready to proceed, look for the Get It Now button, which is clearly shown in the guide. Click on Get It Now to start the installation process. From here, Jira will guide you through any remaining confirmation steps, and once complete, your Bitbucket app will be installed and ready to configure.